and the police will come.
What they're gonna do? Maybe because I watch movie a lot. Here they don't joke. They come to the house, they break the door, they tell you go out. So me, I'm in my house. Sometimes I shoot off the lights.
Because you're scared.
Because for me, I don't want people to know that I'm inside. So I shoot off the lights. I put everything behind the door. So so it's like my own house. I suffer to buy my house, but because of that things. So now I'm scared. If I don't have a washing machine, I have to wash with my hands. I wash. I look at my hand. Is a hard. If I slap you, you're gonna die. Because every day I wash my jeans, my clothes, my pool, everything. Or one day I was home. I would take my shower. The water was cold. I come back and say, sister, why in my house the water is cold? She tell me, check the gas and look, it was 0 pound. The court, even if the judge they sign, they're not gonna send me out of my house. Yes, is my money. I took my own money to buy. I don't know how many me I suffer on the pitch to get my money to make my family happy. To have the house for my family. And then today, because of what? Because of the divorce, they're gonna take everything. So what about me? I will fight until the end, because that one is not fair what has happened to me. So I will fight until the end, because yes, I don't have cars. Okay, I use Ulster train, bus. So I have to hide in the bus or in the train because of people that recognize me. And then also the house I have. Okay, it's not like the electricity is not. I have to put card.
Yeah, he doesn't have a bill. He has to put a card.
Yes, I don't have a bill.
So you have to put a key in the meter.
Yeah, bill the key. So sometimes like this, you are in the house, no light. That life, I didn't have that life before, so I can't see them. I can't see them because that one when we are talking about that is hurting me a lot, because of my children. They are the part of me, and then she knows that my children, I was close to my children, so I was ready to do everything for them. My two girls, they have a phone, they have a number, so we used to talk before. They used to call me before, so but now since 2 months, no contact. You see, we see my teeth are out there, but inside me, even when I was coming in the car with my sister, I was crying for that, because I said to her, I miss my children. I miss my children a lot. I want to see them because it's not fair. When I want to go out. Even today, I went to the training. So from the training, I came here. So when I saw the children before
their parents,
they were playing for the family, the parents, they go out. It's paining me a lot. Me, it wasn't only for me, but for my son, because my son he plays also for Arsenal. But for him, it was very, very difficult for him to go to school, because at school, how the children they talk, so they were laughing about him. Your dad was banned for the FIFA, so you're not gonna play anymore. So it was very, very difficult. But when I get the job with Sunderland, I was happy, but my happiness wasn't for long. It wasn't for long. And then after that, they took my
your happiness
like this. So it was very, very difficult again. It was very, very difficult. It's hard to explain. If you are not, if you have this problem, you cannot know. You're welcome. I'll be happy to see Arsenal to help me. to help me. When I say help me, it's not about money. It's not about that. It's not about money. It's about emotion, and then maybe can come and then work there to help all the boys there. I'll be happy. Even now, they still love me, you know. So as I said, we're like a family. Like a family. Doesn't matter if I'm not playing anymore for Arsenal, but when some of them they see me on the road, on the street, they're happy to see me. They said, boy, legend. They come take picture, and then that one it make me happy.